Studies have shown that blue can trigger trout strikes. There's no blue food in nature, but for some reason trout sometimes key on blue. Try these patterns when you're getting skunked and you want to break the slump, because for some reason blue can be a strike trigger. We're going to try the Glen River Blue Bead Mid, Charlie Craven's Deep Blue Poison Tongue, and finally Dan Quattro's Little Blue Fly. We'll initially publish these as separate videos, but after we publish all three of them, then we'll combine them and there'll be one blue midge video on the site. Be sure to like and subscribe, it really helps the channel. I do appreciate you watching these. Tight lines. This fly is called a blue bead midge. Using a Mill Hill 10-aught seed bead in cobalt blue, a shrimp or caddis hook. This is a size 18. The original recipe called for Gildebrod 10-aught thread, but I'm using some black 50 denier nano silk from Semperfli. After we start the thread, we want to wrap back into the bend. And once we get there, I would suggest that you spin the bobbin, and we're going to pick up some extra small silver colored wire, and put a second layer of thread over the body, and then I'm gonna put a third layer back, try to smooth everything out and give a little thickness to the body. When I get back, I'm again going to spin the bobbin and then come forward one final time. I'm going to take the silver wire, and normally I would do between 4 and 5 segments here. We want to do about twice that many. This means we want to make them about half the normal size. And you get to the front. Tie it off. A couple of wraps over it. And then helicopter it off. And then I need a black fine dubbing. I'm going to use some kapok dubbing here because I have some. And I just want to put a little thin coating on the thread, but I'm going to build up a little bit on top of that. And kapok tends to clump up, so you have to kind of feather it and separate it, pull it apart. And then we're going to take some wraps, put kind of a head or a collar on this, and put a little more and then we'll just grab the whip finisher. Do a couple of 3-turn whip finishes. And cut it off. There you go.